So good afternoon to everyone. This is Hajny, and I will be presenting the paper called Cybersecurity Curricula Designer. So the Cybersecurity Curricula Designer is a web application that makes it easier to design and to analyze a study program for higher education institutions. In particular, the bachelor study programs in cybersecurity. So first, let me say a few words about Sparta. Sparta is an international project funding by the Horizon 2020, having many partners across the whole Europe. And its ultimate goal is to find strategies and roadmaps and also have research results in the area of cybersecurity. It is one of four so-called pilots for the cybersecurity competence network in the Europe. Today I will be speaking about the results of the group dealing with cybersecurity training and awareness, which is focused mainly on the design of a cybersecurity skills framework. I will be describing the framework a little bit later. Also about the application of the framework, which make it possible to boost the university study programs in cybersecurity. And also one of the parts of this activity within Sparta is the raising the public awareness in the cybersecurity. So now let me speak a little bit more about the application we are presenting in the paper, that is the Curricula Designer. So basically the application is the implementation of a cybersecurity skills framework. The framework, put in simple words, is a mapping between knowledge and skills and the work roles on the job market. So basically the framework says what skills and what knowledge is required for particular positions on a job market in the cybersecurity. There are many skills frameworks already available, but there is no universal and widely accepted framework which would be used across around the world. One of the most well-known frameworks is the NICE framework from the NIST, from the US Standard Institution, which provides the mapping between the knowledge and skills and the work roles. However, within Sparta, this framework has been modified to fit into the European environment and also extended so that it can capture the academic environment at the universities. So finally, we have produced the Sparta Cybersecurity Skills Framework, which very simply can be seen on this in this figure. Which maps so-called Sparta topics into the NICE competencies. So basically it maps the content of the courses at higher education institutions to the competencies which are required for the work roles for the positions on the job market. And using this skills framework, we were able to build the whole application. So the application is based on the Sparta Skills framework, which is based on the NICE framework, which allows the mapping between the content of the courses and the work roles available on the market. Using the standardized or unified framework, it allows a consistent analysis of existing programs. So no matter which university is using the Cybersecurity Curricula Designer, it is using the same language, the same specification of the skills, knowledge and the work roles, which allows the collaboration among the universities, the exchange of students and also the exchange or the acceptance of the courses among the universities. Currently the framework is built for the bachelor's program, but it's very easy to use it also for the master's program, and in the future we also plan to expand the tool to be usable for the professional training. Currently, we do support the Sparta framework and the NICE cybersecurity skills framework. However, in future, we also plan the other frameworks as soon as we will have the European cybersecurity skills framework. The implementation is on the plan. The application is publicly available for free on this link on the Sparta webpage. So for the rest of the presentation, I will show you how it actually works. So it's divided into three parts: the left, middle, and the right side. On the left side, you can either create your own cybersecurity courses or you can load the sample courses. So using the button Add Course, you can specify your cybersecurity course. And what is most important is you need to classify the course according to the Sparta topics. So you can select what topics are taught at in the course. When you have all the courses specified, on the left side you have a list of all the courses. You can start building your curricula. So you can simply drag and drop all the courses to the study program. The application automatically checks whether you are using the right semester, so that you can start building your curricula. And finally, when all the courses are present in the middle section, you will see the statistical analysis on the right side. From the analysis, from this part, you can see the distribution of credits and in particular the distribution of ECTS credits into the Sparta areas, which are computer science, cryptology, security, mathematics, privacy, humanistic, social science, and others. More importantly, you can also see what NICE competencies are covered by the study program. So that you can see, for example, by this very small curricula, incomplete curricula, we have already the computer languages, data analysis, encryption, and more NICE competencies. As the list of supported NICE competencies grow, there will be also a growing list of supported work roles, which means that your curricula becomes suitable for graduates that aim on particular work roles. So let me move all these subjects to the sample curricula. Okay, so we will create some, let's say, sample study program for bachelor students using all the courses. And you can see that when we moved all the sample courses to the curricula, the NICE competencies, the list of NICE competencies grows, and also the list of supported work roles grows. And when you move with your mouse over some particular work role, you see that what competencies are required. So using this statistical part or section, you can easily analyze your curricula according to what work roles are supported by the study program. So you can see what may be missing, what needs to be added to the study program in terms of the knowledge and skills, so that the graduates do have the necessary background when they leave the study program at the university. The curricula finally can be, of course, exported and later imported for further modifications. Also, all the courses can be modified, so you can change the classification and the content of the courses. Okay, so this was a short description of the Curricula Designer. The application is still in the development. Currently it is in the testing phase, so please feel free to use it, to try it. We will be very happy for your feedback. We still plan to expand the whole application, so if you have any request of new functionalities, we will be very happy to receive that and consider for the improvement of the application. So thank you for your attention, and I'm looking forward to the discussion. Goodbye.